Hi, I'm doing a quick review of this steamer unit I purchased on Amazon. This unit is relatively easy to operate. It comes with a funnel for loading in water for steaming, as well as a measuring cup. According to the manual, you're supposed to add 1.75 milliliters, but not more than 1.75 milliliters plus the additional 75, so 250 milliliters total. The funnel allows you to get it in without making a mess. Measuring cup is marked with the appropriate measurements. Top screws on, and then from there you plug in the unit. The cord seems to be ample length, maybe 6 to 8 feet long. Plug it in over here, and once it's plugged in, it starts to charge. You have a amber indicator light noting that it's charged, or that it's warming up. Comes with a couple different accessories. You have a long extension tube, which is here. I'll set this aside. This end plugs in to the main unit, and this end is for the attachments. Also comes with a shorter extension tube, a little brush. This is the upholstery steamer over here, right? And then along with that, it also has a little bonnet that goes over top of this for different fabrics and stuff like that. I guess it spreads out the steam appropriately, so that you don't get a lot of buildup in one particular area. So the bonnet fits over this as such. Okay, and then in addition, it also comes with, if you're going to do windows, I guess this is the window attachment according to the manual, and that fits over the fabric attachment, and then all these would fit on the appropriate end here. Also, this here is another attachment that goes on, gives you kind of a directional tip, right? So if you're going to use one of these others, it fits in there as such. And I believe if you turn it, it locks in place, just like that. And then essentially, once the amber light here goes out, then this will be fully charged up and ready to go. You can feel it's definitely warming up already. Looks like the light's out. So I think we're ready to actually release some steam, see how that goes. On the handle here, you'll see, right, this is a lock. So you push this forward and then press down to release the steam. And in doing so, you can see it's a pretty powerful jet of steam. So that's it. That's my review. Let me know if provide feedback. Let me know what you think. Thank you.
Alright, I just wanted to show real quick how I use this thing. Also, I used one of these before, and it was actually a more expensive one than this, and it did not work as well, for sure. And it actually died on me. That's why I got this one. I saw it, and it was cheaper. I decided to give it a shot, and it actually works extremely well. And I like some of the features, like this locking thumb mechanism. You have to push it in like that, and then you can push it down, and you can see just how much steam comes out of this thing. It's awesome. And here's one of the ways I use it. Normally I use it for like cleaning cars. You get the plastic siding and stuff can get marks on it. If you take one of these and a scrub brush, you can steam those marks and then scrub it with a scrub brush. It'll come right off. So that's the main way I use it. Right now I don't have a dirty car to clean, so I'm just going to use it on this shoe. You can see I've already done half of it. So here's kind of the dirty half. I already tried scrubbing this with a scrub brush and some shoe soap, but it didn't really work. So the steam just gets rid of all of this mess. You can see how clean it is on this side compared to this other side, and I'll show you real quick. Normally I'd be wearing my gloves for this, but they're out in my car, so I just wanted to show this real quick because it works really well. So, holding it on the opposite side, definitely don't want to be near this steam because it's very hot. Obviously, you can steam. I have the little brush on it right now. It comes with all kinds of different attachments, but just look, I already scrubbed this with a brush and some shoe soap, and it didn't get any of this. And look how much the steam gets off. So, just like that, it's so much cleaner. Oh, look, it even took off some of this where just this steam hit it. These are some old shoes. I just wanted to do this as a test, but yeah, it works really well. The other thing too, I just started doing is, again, you want to be careful. I'm glad it has this locking thing. So feel that, it's not too bad. It's got this, and it's got all kinds of different attachments. Really cool. So I can get in here, and all this stuff, I clean this bathtub at least once or twice a week, and it still gets, some of this stuff, like, it gets dirty and just doesn't come off with a scrub brush. But take this, and you can see it's already coming up. If you can see through the fog, look it's taking it right up. Really awesome. I did not have this attachment before, and this little attachment is awesome. I love it for doing stuff like this. My other my other steamer only had a brush thing and like a pointer thing, but this is really cool. Yeah, so I mean, I'm really impressed with kind of the price of this thing, since it's like, it seems high quality. I mean, it works really well. So yeah, I like it. I just wanted to make a quick video showing some ways that I use it and kind of giving my thoughts on it. Really cool. Worth it.
Alright, so this is the Comforday in action. It's the lights off, so it's ready to go. Yeah, doing a whole lot. Buyer beware. Maybe it's a bad unit, I don't know. But this thing sucks. I can't see what it's used for. I might use it for Halloween for like a fogging machine or something. That might work. Other than that, it's just spraying. I can do my whole hand, so doesn't hurt, doesn't burn.
So I just bought this steamer. This is the Comforday steamer. I just brought it in April, and I used it twice. And so now it's barely getting hot. And because it's been more than, I don't know, 45 days or whatever, I can't send it back. Yeah. I even tried putting a little salt in it. I thought maybe that would help. But as you can see, I don't know. not happy. So I don't recommend that.
Okay guys, I got this one here. It's not that bad actually, it's really powerful. I'm not sure what others say about this, but for my kind of use in my kitchen and cleaning all this shit around, it's definitely a very good tool. I need to just somehow set this up like this so I can show you what I mean. It's very powerful. It's very powerful and definitely a must. Very good, very, very good. I have to say 5 stars.